How y'all doing today? So today we're going to be working on this public storage cylinder lock. It's a 6-pin core, and from all the information I can find, it's supposedly made by Paclock, but I don't have a key, so I don't know. Sometimes she picks easy, sometimes she's a nightmare. I know she's got really good tolerance, so let's pick it open and see what happens. See if it's going to be an easy day or a hard day. Use some top of the keyway tension and my little medium monkey paw. Let's get it. Click on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 feels dead. Let's go back to 5. 5 clicked. Let's go back to 1. 1 feels good. 2 feels good. 3, I'm not sure. Let's go 6. 8. Oh, and I think it dropped. Ain't that something? Alright, I guess we're gonna have to do it again, because I don't know if that opened or not. God dang it. Let's try this again. 1. 2 is kind of weird. Could be something on 3, 4, 5. 6. That was a little something. 4, 3, 2. Nope. It dropped a bunch of crap. Let's go again. Sometimes that pin 1. Let's see here. 1. Can't get it. 2 feel like it might have went. 3, 4, 5, 6 clicked. Hey, there we go. Alright. Well, that's all I got for y'all today. Y'all have a good one.